Good morning, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This morning, going to give an update on Bityard. Done a video on the 4th of June. We talked about the copy trading and how easy it was just to copy trade. If you haven't done trading before, or you're new to crypto, this is an excellent way just basically just copy an expert trader. Very honest with their win rate ratios, all the different profits they're getting, etc. So you can basically choose which one you want. So I've done that video there. You can see there, I've got quite a lot of response. Also had a few other questions which we'll go through shortly just to clarify a few things. So it's on the screen. So here we are now. This is the most important thing. You can see all the different trading pairs. Okay, and you can see that on the bit here, the profit and loss percentage, profit and loss actual bit there, and all the different ones I'm following. So I'm not just following the one or two traders, I'm doing many who've actually got excellent returns with their profit ratio and their win rate ratio. I've done that a lot. You can see all the different ones that I'm using. You can see there, slow profits, easy money, passive income. Just basically set your copy trade and let it do its work, and it's absolutely fine. Your balance goes up every day, so it really is an easy way just to make that passive income. And say, also gives you insight into the trading if you want to get more in depth in it. But at the moment, just copy trading makes it so easy. Now, I say quite a few people have said to me that they've loaded assets onto Bityard. They've got the tether that we spoke about before. When they got onto it, they couldn't actually submit the trades because it said you didn't have a sufficient balance. So what you need to do, you need to basically go on your assets bit and you need to transfer from your spot wallet to your light contract wallet. So you can see that at the moment I've only got 16 tether left. So basically do that. Now once I've transferred that, then it's in my light contracts. Then I can do the copy trading. So many people have mentioned me about that, the fact that load assets and they said they don't have enough funds. Okay, so that's the easy way to do it. Assets, transfer, and then just do that there. And it's easy. Transfer, there you go. So now I can actually do the trading. So, and I showed this before, we'll show it once again. You can see here all the different traders. Okay, now you can go through here, 30-day return investment, 30-day win rate. So if you just hit that, you can actually see this guy here has got 100% win rate. Now, not all of them obviously do that. As you scroll down, you'll see the ones got lesser percentage, but they're all doing extremely well. Okay, and obviously they get a percentage from Bityard for obviously doing their trading with them. You can see there this guy called Merkel, 96 followers there alone. And they've all got their own followers, people doing it over time. But again, they're getting their reputation up, aren't they? And obviously, the more people who copy their trade, the more money they get from Bityard, and obviously more money they're making themselves. So everyone wins, don't they? Bityard win, we, the consumer, use it as well as the trader. So it's an excellent way just to show how easy copy trading is, okay? So there's many different parts to it. Now, basically, just go down one that you like. This guy here, I've done that, Trade Luxury. You know, I can already see that I'm using him. So the ones with the copy, the ones that I'm not actually yet following their trades and actually copying with it and involved with it. So this one here, 98.93%. So his cumulative return on investment is excellent, 14.97%. So basically, if you just want to copy it, now what you get here, you get your copy amount, 20. Now I don't know, we just put in here like 4, something like that. Then you just merely just copy it, okay? And that's all you have to do, success, and that's it. Now I'm copying these trades. Okay, there is no guarantee. Must always say it's not financial advice. There's no guarantee you'll get your passive income. Obviously, everything's high risk, especially in crypto. However, over time, me personally, I'm happy to commit to this with a copy trading because I'll see their previous results. That's obviously extremely important. So again, now, anyone need help? As always state, email me info@cryptostrang.com. All my social media links are below. But anyone help getting started, don't hesitate to reach out. I've reached out about 4 different people. We've done the Instagram, FaceTime, and again, it was all about how to load the assets onto Bityard itself, but also just basically getting started. And some people didn't realise how easy it was. Literally, I just showed you there. Wow, I'm copy trading. Okay, I'm getting a passive income. Okay, so a lot of people are actually shocked how easy it is. So also got a referral link below to support the channel. I do appreciate everyone who uses my link. You don't have to, just please make sure you're on bityard.com and not a phishing site. So as I showed on previous videos, other parts to it. The daily mining, you've got that there. Hit each crypto here and get your free mine just for logging on each day. Now also I showed you this before, the mystery boxes, deposit with Bankster to get a mystery box, deposit with Transact to get a mystery box. You also got Mercury there. So there's many other different bonuses they offer with Bityard, but overall it's a fantastic site and exchange. There are many different parts to Bityard. So as I say, don't hesitate to reach out. I will do another update video. I promise I'll do one in a month. It's taking just over a month. But however, I will do other update videos on Bityard over time, because this is an excellent way to copy trade. So thanks very much. I say don't hesitate to reach out, help any way I can. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.